Ate, go to your sister. Okay, the first player. Okay.
Smile! Smile!
Ate, you play again, okay? Kuya, I'll see you. Okay, guys, our third game is what we call balloon reading. Any idea? Balloon reading.
You sit here. You sit here.
Hindi po. So, explain ko na po. Ano po? So, ang number niyo po is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When I say pass the balloon to number 2, you will pass to number 2. When I say pass to number 5, pass to number 5. Then, when I say stop the balloon, you will go here and stop the balloon. Ayun po, So, yun po, I will give 3 rounds. Who will get the 3 balloons? Okay po? Maliwanag na po? Okay, ready? Paano naman po ng line? Yung line. Okay. Ready, set. Pass the balloon to number 5. Pass the balloon to number 1. Pass the balloon to number 3. And pass the balloon to Very good. Everyone, let's clap our hands together. Okay, very good. That's only trial. It's only trial. Okay, guys, hurry up. Okay, ready, set. Pass the balloon to number 5. Pass the balloon to number 3. Pass the balloon to number 2. And pass the balloon. Okay?